Eraswap token is subject to market risk. Read Eraswap white paper, terms and conditions, and roadmap before participating.
TimeAlly PET stands for TimeAlly Personal Eraswap Teller, which assures monthly annuity gain consistently for 5 annuity years based on your monthly goals achievement. TimeAlly PET assures 100% additional bounty to stakers for 12 months as accumulation guaranteed by PET Smart Contract. PET provides smart contract-based safety, security and stability of your accumulation and rewards you per predefined set of rules. TimeAlly PET 10,000 illustration for 12 months. Unique benefits of TimeAlly PET. Companionship 100% additional bounty for your next 12-month ES accumulation guaranteed by PET Smart Contract. Partner assures monthly annuity gain consistently for 5 annuity years based on your monthly goals achievement. Empower. PET provides smart contract-based safety, security, complete control and transparency of your monthly accumulation and rewards you per predefined set of rules. Flexible rewards. You can choose your PET plan as per your monthly goals and PET will reward your accumulation behavior systematically. 50-50. PET starts with systematic accumulation plan of minimum 500 ES commitment and above. PET bounty will accumulate equal count of ES as per monthly target commitment achieved as per the staker. Frequency mode. The staker also has the ability to make the entire commitment of 3 months, 6 months or 12 months in a single transaction. This feature can only be availed if user's staking meets the target for the respective months. Monthly target commitment. Monthly target commitment refers to the total ES to be staked within 30 days 10 hours. One needs to select his monthly target commitment from the annuity chart at the start of the plan. Default monthly commitment. If the staker is unable to reach 50% of the monthly target commitment ES, then he or she shall not qualify for PET bounty nor shall he qualify for the PET bonus. The total staking ES count shall carry forward to the following month and a default shall be considered for that corresponding month. Passing PET target commitment %. The passing PET target commitment will be minimum 50% of the monthly target commitment of ES to qualify for a PET bonus. If the monthly target commitment is not achieved and PET target commitment is achieved, then the user shall be provided with the PET Smart Contract contribution but shall not be awarded the PET bonus, and those respective tokens shall be burned for the corresponding month. If the user stakes more than the monthly target commitment, he or she shall receive 50% of the PET bounty on the staking above his desired monthly target commitment. PET bonus. PET bonus will be released in 12 equal intervals of 5 months each over a period of 5 years as per the monthly target commitment achievement in accumulation year. The PET bonus pertaining to the first month shall be awarded on the 60th month of annuity. The second month shall be awarded on the 55th month of annuity, correspondingly the 12th month shall be provided on the end of 5th month of annuity. Monthly target achievement benefits. The staker has the flexibility to stake within 30 days 10 hours till the next window opens. The staker will have to meet the monthly target commitment to receive the PET bonus as well as the PET bounty. How to log in on TimeAlly. Step 1. Click on the Connect to Wallet button, and choose by Eraswap Life. Step 2. You'll be redirected to Eraswap Life. Click on Load Wallet, choose anyone, key store files / access through mnemonics / private key. If you don't have Eraswap Wallet, you can create it. Step 3. There are 3 ways to load your Eraswap wallet if accessing through keystore file. Then, choose the keystore file, enter the password, click on Load Wallet. If accessing through private key, then, enter your private key, click on Access Wallet. If accessing the mnemonics, then follow these steps, enter your mnemonics, click on Access My Wallet. Step 4. After logging in successfully, you will be redirected to TimeAlly. How to use TimeAlly PET Calculator. Step 1. Visit www.eraswap.info. Step 2, click on Apps menu and select Dashboard. Step 3, select Personal Eraswap Teller Calculator. Step 4, enter your minimum staking commitment. Step 5, click on Calculate. This is Pet Bounty. This is your total monthly staking amount after including monthly bounty. This is your monthly annuity benefits for 5 years. Your gross annuity benefits, gross pet bonus benefits, and gross total benefits at 5 years. How to get your TimeAlly pet plan. Step 1, go to Pet New. Step 2, click on Create Pet. Step 3, read Terms and Conditions and click on Proceed button only if you agree. Step 4, enter the amount and select plan based on S per month. Step 5, click on Next. Step 6, read this carefully before clicking on Confirm Pet. Step 7, click on Sign and Submit. Step 8, once your transaction is confirmed, click on Continue. Step 9, click on Go to View Pets page. Your pet has been initiated as said here, but you still have to open your pet. To know how, see the following steps. Step 10, click on Open Pet. Step 11, you can either make lump sum deposit or monthly deposit. Read above lines carefully to know about TimeAlly Pet before making deposit. Step 12, to make lump sum deposit, click on Make Lump Sum Deposit. Select SAP frequency mode accordingly to you. Enter your total deposit amount and click on Next. To make a monthly deposit, click on Make Monthly Deposit. Enter deposit amount and click on Next. Choose from liquid or from prepaid as you want this pet contract. Click on Approve TimeAlly Pet. This step is for approving TimeAlly Pet smart contract to call it as from your account. No funds will be debited from your account in this step. Funds will be debited in Step 3 and sent into pet contract when you do new pet transaction. Click on Sign and Submit and then Continue. Then, click on Go to third step. Click on Confirm Monthly Deposit. Now, you can go to Pet Deposits page to see that your transaction is successful. How to view My TimeAlly stakes. Step 1, go to Pet tab. Step 2, click on View My Staking. Step 3, you can also directly go to Stakings tab. How to withdraw benefit. Step 1, go to Pet tab and click on View My Pets. Step 2, click on Open Pet. Step 3, scroll down and click Benefit page. Step 4, select the benefits you want to withdraw and click on Withdraw. Step 5, click on Sign and Submit. How to convert holded pet WES into ES. Step 1, go to Pet Hold tab and click on View My Pets. Step 2, click on Open Pet. Step 3, scroll down and click on Convert to ES. Step 4, enter the amount and click on Convert. Step 5, click on Sign and Submit. Step 6, click on Continue. Now that you have followed all the steps and have staked 2 Eraswaps in TimeAlly Pet, Eraswap welcomes you to Eraswap community.